Today's featured car/pickup truck is a 1965 Ford Falcon Ranchero. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, back in February of 21, where it sold for $15,250. And this one had the 6-cylinder engine with the 3-speed manual transmission, the 3 on the tree, as we used to call them. And this one was a nice vehicle. It had been totally restored except for the electrical and the transmission. But I thought it was a pretty good deal. Would have made a good company vehicle for advertising. And a little parts runner, if you will. And this was the part of the second generation of the Ford Falcon Ranchero, which went from 1960 through 1965. And the 64 and 5 looking the same. This one was the last year since they had redesigned the Falcon in 64. 65 was the last year for this body style. And the Falcon Ranchero rode on a 109.9-inch wheelbase. It was 189 inches long, 70 inches wide, and the curb weight was only 2,475 pounds. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day / pickup truck, a 1965 Ford Falcon Ranchero that had a 6-cylinder with a 3-speed manual transmission, and it sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $15,250 back in February of 2021. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.